guys, so today I will be showing you what my day in college usually consists of. So first things first, usually the first thing that I do after waking up is opening up all the windows, to let the cool morning air in. Then I turn on my laptop and do some preparations while I listen to music before my first class starts. I don't usually eat in the morning, so here is me making myself a cup of tea, which is the most I do for breakfast. Moving on to 1 p.m, usually I'd get ready around this time, and I'm just wearing like a black top under a black and white kimono. Don't know what I was doing here, but it fits the music, so let's just keep it in. Now I am packing my bag and I really try to fit everything I can. All the essentials. I got the purse, the snack, talking about me, and we can't forget the laptop. These days, it's not easy. So here's me walking towards the bus station with my friend. She's also my classmate. Shout out to her. So with the virus going around, we all have to scan this QR code everywhere we go, every public place. We decided to have lunch before our class starts. So here's us eating the same thing as usual. My group members are currently doing some finishing touches to our project. As you guys can see here, we created an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser, and it was really fun to make. I can say that the project was a success. So finally we're going back home, and by home I mean my dorm room. And here's me in the bus on the way back. That pink and white building right there is my dorm. The first thing that I do as soon as I get home is go straight to bed. But I don't usually go to sleep, so what I do is I go and watch some YouTube videos or watch some Netflix, the drill. Then usually at around 6 I would go and do laundry with my friend, and while we wait for the washer and dryer to finish, we would squeeze in a little workout, a little short 30 minutes workout at the gym, or we would buy dinner for ourselves. And yeah, that is me checking myself out. As you guys can see, I managed to squeeze in a little 20-minute workout. And yeah, I didn't really record any footage at night for some reason. So here's me fast forwarding myself to doing my homework, and usually I'd already taken a shower, eat dinner, and I'll just go straight to bed. So that is it for my first ever vlog. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Also, comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And here's my one and only public social media, so go and have a look. That'd be great. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Alah, tak nampak. Cuba hitam screen ni mata baik.
Boleh.
13. Tak dapat kita.
Muka aku mana?
Muka kita. Nampak tak? Okay.